In this video, we will show you how to create a username and password if you are a business owner and gain all access. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. This will take you to the CDTFA's online services login page. Click on Sign Up Now. The next page is for registration options. Click on Create My Logon. The Welcome page will ask you if you are the owner of the business or a third-party delegate. In this case, click the owner of the business. Click Next. The next page, Ownership Chain Access, asks if you've received a security code by mail from the CDTFA. We're going to click No, and follow the prompts to initiate the process of a letter being sent to you. Click Next. Your information is the next page. Enter the required information identifying yourself one of 6 ways: driver license number, individual taxpayer identification number, non-U.S. driver license number, non-U.S. ID, non-U.S. passport number, or Social Security number. Once you've filled out all the information and specified yes to having an existing permit, license, or account with CDTFA, click Next. This is the Business Information page. Here you will select your account type and enter your account number. For this example, we will select Sales and Use Tax and enter the account number. Then click Next. The next page is Login information. Start with choosing a username and password that follows the password rules. Confirm both. Select a secret question from the drop-down menu. Enter your secret answer and confirm it. After this page is completed, click Next. On the Contact Information page, enter your email and confirm. Select your phone type from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number. Once you have provided all the information, click Next. Authentication information is the last page to complete. Select how you would like to receive an authentication code. In our system, we have 2 authentication factors to verify that you're logging in from a new computer, and this is, in fact, you. For this example, we will select only email and enter the email address. Then click Submit. Your security code will be sent to your physical mailing address on file and will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. It is different than the authentication code sent to your email. Remember, if your mailing address has changed, contact us to update it so you will receive your security code. As an owner, that code will give you all access to the accounts to which you are registered. If you need your security code sooner, please have the business owner visit one of our local offices or call us at 1-800-400-7115. You need to use your security code within 90 days to set up your username and password, or it will expire. Again, you'll have to wait 7 to 10 business days to receive your code. You'll then see the confirmation page with a confirmation number. Click Home. It will take you to the CDTFA Online Services login page. Once you have the security code, now you can access your accounts. Enter your new username and password. Then click the Login button. Click the Send Authentication Email button. Once you get the email, enter your authentication code. Click Yes to trust this browser. Then click the Log On button. This is your online services profile page. You now have file and pay access to your accounts below. If you want to gain all access or do not see an account for which you are in the ownership chain, simply use the Request Access to an Account link under the I Want To section to gain access and manage multiple accounts. You will see the Welcome page and select the box saying you are the business owner. Click Next. The next page, Security Code, will ask you if you've received a letter from CDTFA, and this time we'll click Yes. Click Next. On the next page, Business Information, this is where you will enter the security code you've received. After that, fill out all the required information and click Next. Then click the Submit button. This is your confirmation page. Click I'm done to get back to your accounts. You now have all access to your account below. Click on the Sales and Use Tax link to see more options. Under the I Want To section, click on More to see what other options All Access gives you. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.